Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. All right, as you can see here, I have my Bluetooth right here. I'll be able to add a Bluetooth device, show some Bluetooth devices, set a file, receive the file, and some other good stuffs. All right, to be able to do that, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Bluetooth. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, Bluetooth is available. If this one is turned off for you, just go ahead and turn it on. All right. If you want to add a device, click on add a device. It could be a Bluetooth device, wireless display, or dock, or everything else. Now, you might be asking, why is your Bluetooth grayed out or not available? Well, some computers or desktops specifically doesn't have a Bluetooth device on it or a Bluetooth chip. All right. Again, some desktops. Now, some motherboards do have a Bluetooth device in their boards. All right. You may want to check your manufacturer's website for your particular motherboard if it is Bluetooth enabled. All right. If not, there's a workaround. All right. As you can see here, I'm going to open up my web browser and look for Bluetooth dongle. Hit on enter. As you can see, there's a thing called a Bluetooth dongle. And this one right here, my Bluetooth, is powered by a Bluetooth dongle as my motherboard doesn't support or doesn't have Bluetooth in it. All right, just go ahead and purchase a Bluetooth dongle, insert it in your computer, and once done, it is plug and play. Go back to search right here and look for Bluetooth. All right, click on it and make sure to enable it for you to be able to use Bluetooth on your computer. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.